how to add a Pinterest widget on iPhone's home screen. So if you want to customize your iPhone's home screen and add your favorite photos to it, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. So all you have to do is to press and hold on any empty space of your screen first, so everything will start to jiggle. Then in the top left, click on Edit. From here, we're going to select Add Widget. Now, start scrolling down until you can find the Pinterest in the list. And after that, you can choose to add your home feed photos. Also, you can select different sizes. You can also choose your specific boards or interests. Let's add board, and I'm going to use this small one. So I'm going to tap Add Widget, and now it is on my home screen. I can also drag the corners and resize the widget. I can also press and hold it and drag to different place on the screen. Now I'm going to tap on the widget to select what I want to see in it. Let's tap on the board, and I'm going to choose my board. And we're going to update it either hourly or daily. So let's choose hourly. Now I'm going to go back to my home screen, and this is photo from my Pinterest board. We can also switch to different board. Let's try to use it. And yep, now we can click done, and this widget from Pinterest will be always on my home screen until I decide to remove it. And to remove, just press and hold the empty space again and click minus icon next to the widget. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.